Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, here in the background with my man Ian. Say hi, Ian.
Hi everybody, how you doing today?
We're all excited, Ian. We're all excited to learn what we're doing at Urban Automotive today. What are we working on?
Well, today I'm working on a 2007 Honda Odyssey, really common family van that's out there. Doing a tune-up and some general maintenance on the vehicle.
We love Honda.
One of the things that needs to be replaced periodically is the PCV valve, which is a valve and orifice which helps to control the emissions to stop emissions from the blow-by gases through the engine to escaping in the atmosphere. The PCV,
what does PCV stand for, Ian?
PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation.
You pass.
Back from trade school, that was only 25 years ago.
Woo! Like yesterday.
Okay, like yesterday. So in this vehicle, the PCV valve is actually a tube and orifice that bolts into the side of the valve cover. Okay. It's right down in here, and all you see is the cap end of it, right down where my finger is there.
Okay.
Now, when they are in for too long, what happens is the carbon builds up around the O-rings, and then it makes them very difficult to get out. This is the broken pieces of the old one, which was seized in there pretty good.
Okay.
When that happens, you've actually got to lift the intake so that you can lift off the valve cover, and then take it over the bench, flip it up, and try to pry and poke and prod the old pieces out.
So a 5-minute job.
Oh, totally a 5-minute job, yeah.
Okay. It's not a 5-minute job.
No, it's more like an hour and a half to 2, especially if these pieces break in smaller pieces. But that's life. Sometimes that's what happens in our trade, and we just have to go move forward and deal with it.
Happens more often than not, though, eh?
It does. Unfortunately, when this design of PCV valve is left in for too long, that's what happens. Carbon builds up and makes them stick.
Now, this van in particular has over 200,000 K?
I think it does. I can't remember offhand what the odometer reading was, but I'm pretty sure it's over 200.
And we're dealing with what looks like an original PCV?
Very likely, yes.
And generally, the good rule of thumb is the PCV gets changed with the major tune-up, which in the Honda's case is every 120,000 K?
Yeah.
So, yeah, if that's the original one, then it's long overdue to be done.
Oh, absolutely.
So that's great. Thanks for giving us the lesson for today, Ian. Everybody, please hit subscribe below to continue to watch our videos. We are trying to make them educational and fun for you, our customer and consumer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.